Hello children, today I am here to teach you circles. That's chapter 18. So can you remember in grade 6 first lesson we did circles. There we took several objects and we drew circles. In this lesson we are drawing circles by handling a pair of compasses. Identify what the center, radius, diameter of a circle and create circle designs using a pair of compasses. Grade 6 we used several objects to draw circles. Now we are using compass to draw circles. In grade 6 you have started to learn how to draw circles using different objects. So we used 2 rupee coins, 5 rupee coins, and then you can use a small glass to draw a circle and a bangle and a carom disc. So if you are still not okay with drawing circles, practice again. Take a 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, a glass, bangle and carom disc and see whether you can draw circles properly. So this is a circle drawn using a glass. And then what you can do, you can fold it into 4 equal parts. So fold it half, again fold it another half, you get these folded lines. So what are A, B and C, D? Those are folded lines. Folded line here and this is also folded line. Then the intersecting point of AB and CD is the point O. Using the protractor, measure and write down the angles. So what you can do, you can take the protractor and we can measure the angle. Keep the protractor here and you can measure AOC, this angle. So what's the angle? 90 degrees. And we can measure BOC angle as well. That's also 90 degrees. What about AOD? So you can turn upside down and measure the other two angles. So what's AOD angle? This angle, that's 90 degrees. And BOD angle, that's also 90 degrees. So when you fold it twice, you get each angle is 90 degrees. Measure and write down the lengths OA, OB, OC, OD. So we can measure. So we'll take the ruler AO here to here, 5.4. OB 5.4 and we'll measure this one. Okay, now we'll measure OD. Here you get the same length, 5.4. OC 5.4. So we see all the lengths are 5.4 centimeters. Are all lengths above equal? Yes, all are equal. What is the name given to those lines? Can you remember? We discussed in grade 6. We call center to this point is radius. So those are radius. What is the name? Radius. What is the name of the point O? O is the intersecting point of the two folded lines. This point, the center of the circle. That's the center of the circle. When drawing circles using objects, not possible to change the size of the circle as required. We all know. If it's a bangle, so you can draw the size of that bangle, a circle with that size. You can't change it. So how can we draw circles with different sizes? So this is one method. You can take a thread, pin and the pencil. So take the thread. Here, if this is a thread, attach it, this thread, to a pin here. So this is the pin. And here you can attach the pencil. This is pencil. Now, what you can do, you can rotate this. When you rotate this, you get a circle. So you can draw the circle. So here, this is the pin and this is the pencil. And this is the thread. When you take the pencil around this one, you get a circle. So that's one way you can draw circles. So what's the other way to draw circles? That's using the compass. So look at this circle. What are the parts of a circle? Above circle is drawn keeping compass on point O. So you can keep the compass here and the other end you get the pencil. So when you draw it, you get this circle. So O is the center of the circle and distance between the compass and the pencil is the OP distance and it is called the radius. So this is the radius. And radius and the center of the circle should be known to draw a circle. So if you want to draw a circle, you need to know the length of the radius. Using the compass, draw a circle with radius 4 centimeters and the center O. So what you can do, you can first mark the point O. I'll mark O is here. So then 4 centimeter length you have to take. So take the ruler and the compass. So take the compass, you keep on top of 0 point first and take 4 centimeter length. So 4 centimeter length. So 4 centimeter length. Then what you do? You take the compass, keep on top of the center O. And you can hold it here and then draw the circle. So that's the circle with radius 4 centimeters. So here to here, 4 centimeters. Draw a circle with radius 4.1 centimeter with center O using a compass. So what we do, you can take any point O. 4.1 centimeters. So take the compass Now you have to take 4.1 centimeter length. 4.1, this length. Now you can draw the circle. So keep on top of the point O, hold it tightly and then draw the circle with radius 4.1. Now here to here is 4.1 centimeters. Draw a circle with radius 5 centimeters with center O. Take the compass again. Now measure 5 centimeters. So make sure that you keep the compass on top of the 0 point. And now we can measure 5 centimeter length. And now we can draw. So mark the point O first. Now keep the compass on top of the point O and draw the circle. So this is the circle with 5 centimeter radius. So this is 5 centimeters. Draw a circle with center A and radius 3.8 centimeters using a compass. So we can mark the point A first. That's the center. Then take the compass and measure 3.8 centimeters. 3.8. 3.8 is here. Now you keep the compass on top of point A, that's the center. And now draw the circle. So that's the circle with center 3.8. So this length is 3.8 centimeters. Draw a circle with center A and radius 3.3. So we are practicing how to draw circles using the compass. Point A, radius 3.3. Now again, keep the compass on top of the ruler. Now take 3.3. 3 here. So 3.3. Now you can draw the circle. Keep on top of the center O and draw the circle. So this is the circle with center A and radius 3.3 centimeters. Taking B as the center, draw 3 circles with radius 2, 3.5 and 4.5. So we need the center B. Take the compass. First we'll draw with 2 centimeter length. Take 2 centimeters and you can draw the circle first. That's 2 centimeter radius. That's first circle. Next one, 3.5. 3.5 here. Now same center, center B. Now draw the other circle, 3.5 now. Now the last one is 4.5 radius. So measure 4.5 now. This one, 4.5. That's the third circle. Center is B. Draw the third circle. So those are the 3 circles with center 2, 3.5 and 4.5. Now look at this one. Draw a circle with radius AB and center A. Draw a circle with radius BC and center B. Draw a circle with radius CD with center C, and draw a circle with radius DC and center D. So basically you have to draw several circles there. So we need the compass. So I can take any length. So first I'll mark the point A. A is here. So A is the center. So first I'll draw the first circle. So that's the circle with center A, and I can mark this one as B, radius AB. Now I need to draw a circle with center B and center B, BC is the radius. So I can take the same length and draw a circle. So I can mark C is the radius. BC is the radius and B is the center now. That's the second one. Third one, draw a circle with radius CD with center C. Now I can take the compass here. Now the center is C. You can draw a circle. And I can mark any point as D because CD is the radius. Now the last one, center D. Center D, I can take the compass here and draw another circle. So that's the DC is the radius and the center is D. So that's the diagram. Look at this one. AB straight line passes through the center O. This is the diameter of a circle. So what is the diameter means? A straight line joining two points on a circle which passes through the center of the circle. So AB is the diameter of the circle. Diameter. P and Q points are on the circle. These 2 points. The line segment PQ does not pass through the center. So this line is not passing through the center. Is that the diameter? No. We call that is a chord of a circle. So PQ is a chord. What is the longest chord can be drawn to a circle? So longest chord is the diameter. So passes through the center. So we can say the longest chord can be drawn to a circle is a diameter. Look at this diagram, identifying the difference between a diameter and the chord. So center is O. We can say center is O. Chord, what are the chords? You can see the lines not passing through the center. So PQ and RS, both are chords. What's the diameter? Diameter is the AB length. And what are the radii? Radius, the plural word for radius is radii. So we can say O to B, that's OB or OA. Diameter is twice as long as radius. We'll find out by measuring the lengths. We'll find out what's the AB length. We get AB length as 10.2. What's the length of AO? AO is, you get here to here, 5.1. OA is 5.1. Now see whether it's true. Multiply by 2 and see. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 5, 10. So that means this is correct. Diameter is twice as long as radius. Because OA is the radius. So this is the radius. And this is the diameter. What is the diameter of the circle if radius is 5.7 centimeters? So we found out the diameter is the twice of radius. So diameter is twice of radius. So 2 times radius is 5.7. Multiply by 2. Ignore the decimal point. Just multiply by 2. 2 times 7, 14. 1 remaining. 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. And 1 decimal place. So 11.4 centimeters is the diameter. What is the diameter of the circle if radius is 17.5? So diameter is 2 times the radius. 2 times 17.5. Ignore the decimal point and multiply. 2 times 5, 10. 1 remaining. 2 times 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 1 remaining. 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. And 1 decimal point. 35 centimeters is the diameter of that circle. What is the radius of a circle if diameter is 25? Other way around. So you have to divide this by 2. Diameter is 25. Divide by 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. For 10, that's 5. So 12.5 centimeters. What is the radius of a circle if the diameter is 35? So 35 divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2 is the radius. 2 times 1, 2. For 15, that's 7. 2 times 7, 14. 1 remaining. And for 10, that's 0.5. 17.5 centimeters is the radius of that circle. Look at this one. Fill in the blanks. So you have to fill radius as well as diameter. So 12 is radius. So what's the diameter? Double of that. So double of 12. 24 centimeters. Diameter is given 36. Divide by 2. You get the radius. So 18 centimeters. 22 radius. How you get the diameter? Double it. Multiply by 2. 44 centimeters. Diameter is given. You divide by 2 to get the radius. 14. And 11.2 is the radius. Multiply by 2 to get the diameter. 4, 2, 2. So here 22.4 centimeters is the diameter. So now you know the relationship between radius and diameter. Diameter is twice as radius. Now look at this one. Draw any circle with center O. So you can take the compass and draw a circle. So take any length. So center is O. So you can mark the center O and draw any circle. So you can take any length and draw a circle. Then, so here center O, any circle. Mark any point A on the circle. So you can mark any point A on the circle. Extend AO line till the line meets the circle again at B. So take the ruler from A, O, extend it till you get the other point. That's the point B. Measure OA radius, measure AB diameter. So what's OA length? So we can keep the ruler and measure the length. So I can keep on top of this point and rotate my ruler, and I get here first OB or OA. I'll measure OA first. 5.4 centimeters is OA. Now I'll measure AB, full length. So I get here to here 10.8. AB is 10.8. Now see whether this is twice as that. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. So you can see the diameter is twice as radius. Now we'll do the exercises in your textbook. Exercise 18.1. Draw a circle by keeping a distance of 4 cm between the point of the pair of compasses and the pencil point. That means radius is 4. So you take the ruler and the compass. Measure 4 centimeters. 4 centimeter length. So no need to mark the center, so just draw the circle. So 4 centimeter is the radius between the point of the pair of compass and the pencil. Mark a point O on a clean sheet of paper. Keep the point of the pair of compasses on point O and draw 3 circles by changing the distance between the point of the pair of compasses and the pencil point. So you can take the compass. So same center, 3 different sizes. So I'll take this length and draw a circle. I can now change the length to this one and draw another circle. And I can change the length to another distance and draw another circle. So they want same center O with 3 different radii lengths. Draw a straight line segment AB of length 3 centimeters. So we'll take the ruler and first I'll mark the point here, that's A. AB length is 3 centimeters. So here 3 is here. I can draw a line from here to here. That's AB. That's AB. That's 3 centimeters. Keep the point of the pair of compasses at point A and extend it until the pencil point reaches the point B. So we'll take the compass. Keep the compass on top of point A and extend it until the pencil point reaches the point B. So that means take this length. Now draw the circle which goes around point A. So you can draw the circle. So this is the circle you get. Then keep the point of the pair of compasses on point B and extend it until the pencil point reaches the point A. So now keep on top of B and now extend this compass till you get A. Now draw the circle which goes around point B. So that's another circle. So you get same radius and center A and center B. Draw a square ABCD in your square ruled exercise book by taking the length of 4 squares as one side here, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. So we'll take 4 centimeters. So we have to take 1 square means 1 centimeter. So I'll take 4 and 4. So here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'll keep 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is the square with length 4 centimeter as the side length. Then take the distance between the point of the pair of compasses and the pencil point to be the length of 2 squares of your exercise book and draw 4 circles around the points A, B, C and D. So we'll first mark the points. This is A, B, C, D. Now take the compass. So you have to take A as the center and 2 squares means 2 centimeter length. Here. And we can draw the first circle. Center A and the radius is 2 centimeter. Now take the same thing. B is the center now. And you have to take the 2 centimeter now here. Now you can draw the other circle. Next one, C as the center. Draw the other circle. And the last one is D as the center and draw the other circle. So that's the diagram. You get 4 circles with center A, B, C and D. Several circle designs are created by using a pair of compasses and a pencil are shown below. Create these designs or some other circle designs using a pair of compasses and a pencil. So we'll try to draw these diagrams. The first one. Look at carefully. You get 3 circles with the same radius. So first we'll do that. I'll take so here 2 centimeter for the radius 2 centimeter radius and draw the circle. That's the first circle. And then look at carefully. You have to take the center as any point on the circle and same radius. Draw another circle. So that's the second one. And third one is same as before. You take the radius point, the center point on this circle and draw a circle. Those are the 3 circles. Then what you have to do? Now we need to keep the compass on top of this line, and here you have to draw this arc. So what you can do, you can keep it so that this end is the pencil there. So now when you draw it, you get the other arc like this. So that's this arc. How we draw this one? So same thing you have to do. So what you have to do, you have to keep here the center somewhere there so that you get, this is the pencil point. So here we can change it now. See, this is the center and this is the pencil point. Now you can draw the other arc. Now we did this side. So same thing you have to do to the other side. So what you have to do, you keep somewhere there so that the pencil should be on top of this. So you change it here. From here, you can draw the other arc. Here up to here. Now, again, you have to draw the other point. So take compass somewhere here. And the point should be here. So if it's not okay, you keep it properly. And now you can draw the other arc. Now I think we did all sides. Now we can color this. You can put any color that you like. I'll take blue. So you can color all these petals like this. So that's the diagram. Now how we draw this one? So you need the compass. So you can take any length and first draw the circle. So you can take any length that you like and draw a circle. Then you can take any point. Now take the compass. Same radius, you can't change it. So you can keep on top of the circle and draw arcs like this. One arc here. Now take the compass to the next point and draw the other arc. Same distance. And take the compass to the next point. And you can draw the other arc. So likewise, you can move the place around the circle and you can draw arcs like this. So you get petals. Now when you take this point, you get the other petal. And the last one, you have to keep it here. and draw the other petal. Now we drew the flower. Now we'll color this. So we can take any color that you like. I'll take orange. So you can color the petals like this. So that's the diagram. Now we'll try to draw this one. So in this circle we can see if this is the big one, this is half of that. The diameter is half of that. So we'll measure it and draw. So we'll take the compass and the ruler. We'll take 4 centimeter lengths. So it's easy when you first draw 2 perpendicular lines and then think about how to draw this. So 4 centimeters. So that's the big circle. So you can draw this. And now we need to take the half of that as the radius. Now before that we'll take the ruler and just mark 2 points. I'll mark 2 points, 1 point this end and this end. And I want to mark the other side also, just to make sure that it's perpendicular to this one. Just mark the points here and here. Now we need to take half of 4. That's 2 centimeter length. So that's the other circle. We need 2 centimeter length. And what we can do, we can keep in between these 2 points and passes through both the center and this point. So keep it here and we'll draw the circle. Now this is one circle. So that passes through the center. Now we'll take these 2 points. In between these 2 points, we have to draw the other circle. So here, now draw the other circle. So that's the second one. Now in between these 2, we take the other one. Now keep it here and the other point should pass us through this point. So keep it in between here. Now we can draw the next circle. And the fourth one in between these 2. So we'll take in between these 2. And passes through the center. Now we'll draw the other circle. So those are the 4 circles inside. Now we can color these petals. We'll put something like this. So here you get something like that. And light color here. We'll put a light color for these ones. And light green color around. So we can create the same thing. How we draw this one? So you need to draw a bigger circle, middle circle and small circle. So we'll take the compass and take 5 centimeter radius. That's the bigger one. So 5 centimeter radius circle. That's the big one. Then we'll take 3 centimeter length. Three centimeter. So this is 5. Here I'll take 3 centimeter. That's the middle circle. Or I'll take 2 centimeters. And draw the other circle. Then the other one, you have to draw 1 centimeter length radius, because if you take 1 centimeter length radius, you get other circles fit into this gap. So 1 centimeter length. 1 centimeter length. This should fit into this one. So what we can do, we draw. We'll check whether the length is, what's this length here? This length. That's like 2.2 divide by 2, 1.1. 1.1. So now you can draw circles. So 1.1 is the radius here. So you have to keep in the middle so that you get the circle touches this point as well as this point. So here we'll change it slightly. Now you can draw the circles like that. So you have to draw circles around this. You keep it properly, otherwise you are not getting exactly what you want. So keep it somewhere here so that it touches this circle, and here also it touches this also. You have to check it. Now check. This touches this slightly here. Now it's better. So you can draw the other circle. So like this, you draw around this and then you can color it. So you can do that. I'm not going to draw all the circles. You can try out that. I'll draw one more circle. Okay, so here like that you draw around and color this. What about this one? This is just 4 circles. So you can take any length. Take any length So same radius you have to keep. So you draw a circle. Now just move slightly to this side and draw the other circle. Move slightly towards this side. Draw the other circle. So we need one more. Move towards this side and draw the other circle. So you get this diagram. After that, you can erase these points. This one, how can we draw this? So we'll take a circle with 5 centimeters. It's easy when you measure it and do, because this is half of that. So you draw a circle and now you have to draw the half of that. So here 5, we took 5. Now half of that is 2.5. Now take 2.5 here. And what you can do, you can keep it in between here so that you can draw an arc here. So we can draw an arc up to here. Then you need to draw the other arc. So you keep here in between these two and we can continue this in between these two. If I keep somewhere here, so you can draw up to this point. So here we'll draw the other arc somewhere here. Now you get this one and then you can color this. So you can erase these 2 points and color this. Now this is another design I created. So you can create any design you like with the compass. Create a design suitable for a wall hanging by drawing circles using pair of compasses and a pencil. So we'll try to draw. Take the compass and the ruler. We'll measure it and do. And we'll take a circle with radius 5. So take the compass and draw a circle first with 5 centimeter radius and then take half of it. Half of it is 2.5. 2.5 and then you keep in between these 2 points. So I'll just put a mark here so that I know that half of this is here. Now I can keep this one here and draw a circle here. And I want to again take now 2.5 half. 2.5 half is 1.25. So I'll take 1.25 here. So somewhere here and then draw another circle. Here taking this as the center in between and see whether it passes through the center and so here draw another circle. So then you can color it. So I'll put different colors now. So I'll put green, pink, and yellow here. And now I can draw same figure all over the place and make a wall hanging. So I'll take a copy and see. Now you can copy this, and I want to rotate this and here make a design. I want to keep it here. And you can take another one and I can rotate this and put it somewhere here. So you can create any design like this for wall hanging. Exercise 18.2. Do the following for the circle shown in the figure. Name the center of the circle. So what's the center? Center is O. Name the radii. What are the radii? OA, OD. This one. OB, OC, OA, OB, OC, OD. All radii. Name a diameter passing through the center. AD is the diameter. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. So take the compass and the ruler. Measure 4 centimeter length. And draw a circle. And it says, name the center as O. And the radius is 4 centimeters. And point on the circle as X. Produce XO until it meets the circle again at Y. So draw a line, passes through the center. And this end we can label it as Y. Write down the name used to define XY. That's the diameter. Measure the length of XY and write it down. So we'll measure X and Y length. So 8 centimeters. So XY length is 8 centimeters. We can see double of the radius. Draw a straight line segment AB such that AB is 3 centimeters. Take the ruler and the compass. Now we need to draw 3 centimeter length. So AB. So we can mark it A and 3 centimeters here and draw the line segment AB. This is A and B. Draw 2 circles of radius 3 centimeter each, taking the points A and B as the 2 centers. So I'll take the compass, measure 3 centimeter length and draw a circle with center A first and then center B. So these are the 2 circles. Measure the lengths of AP and BP. Name the points of intersection points. P and Q. So I can label this is P, this is Q. And we need to measure AP and BP. So we'll take the compass and see what's this distance here to here. Here, that's AP. BP from here to here. We'll check it whether it's the same thing. Here, you get the same distance. So what's the distance? Now you can check it. It's the distance, 3 centimeters. So AP BP both 3 centimeters. Join PA and produce it until it meets the circle with center A again and again at R. So take the ruler, join PA and then extend it so that you get another point on the circle, that's R. What name is used to define the straight line segment PR? So this is a line, segment passes through the center. So that's the diameter. Question number 4. B, C and D are the centers of the circles shown in the figure. The radii of all 3 circles are equal. Here AE is 10 centimeters. So the full length is 10 centimeters. Find the length of AC. Now can you see this is the diameter. So here equal size of circles. So if this is 10, so what is AC? Half of AE. So you can straight away write down AC is half of 10 centimeters. That's 5 centimeters. Then second part, find the radius of each circle. So what's the radius of each circle? Half of AC. AC is the diameter. So radius of the circle is half of 5 centimeters. So half of 5 centimeters is 2.5 centimeters. So radius is 2.5. ABC is an equilateral triangle. The perimeter of the triangle ABC is 12. So the perimeter is given 12 centimeters. 3 circles of equal radii and centers ABC respectively have been drawn as shown in the figure. Calculate the length of the side AC. So how can we find AC? AC is the side of the equilateral triangle. So you can divide by 3. So AC length is equal to 12 centimeters divided by 3, 4 centimeters. Second part, calculate the radius of the circle with center A. Now, can you see? When you draw the circle, this is half of that. AC we found 4. So, what's the radius of the circle? Radius is half of that. Divide by 2. That's 2 centimeters. Then calculate the diameter of the circle with center B. Center B, the diameter. So radius is 2 centimeters and 2, the diameter becomes AB length. That's same as 4 centimeters. So it says diameter is twice as radius. So you get 4 centimeters. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Name its center O. You need the compass and the ruler. 3 centimeters. So take 3 centimeter length and draw a circle. So take the 3 centimeter length and draw a circle. Mark, and you have to mark the center O. Mark a point on the circle and name it A. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters with A as its center. Mark one of the intersecting points of this circle and the first circle as B. So you need the compass with 3 centimeter length. Now the center is A. So we can draw another circle. It says the intersecting point you can mark as, what's the point? B. Mark one of the intersecting point of the circle, this one, B. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters with center B again. So we can take the same thing now, center B. Draw a circle. Similarly, draw another 4 circles such that the centers of these circles all lie on the first circle and the radius of each circle is 3 centimeters. So you can keep now in the other intersecting point. So I can draw another circle here. So how many circles? It says similarly draw another 4 circles. So you can draw like that. So you can keep on top of the intersecting point and draw the other circles. And we need another one. You take this one and draw another one. So we drew 4 circles. Do all the circles with centers that lie on the first circle pass through O. Look at carefully and see. This is the point O. Do all the circles with centers that lie on the first circle pass through O? What can you say about this? So all the circles pass through the center point. So you can say yes. Draw a straight line segment AB of length 4 centimeters. Draw a circle such that AB is a diameter. So take the compass, measure 4 centimeter length. So we can do it here. So I can mark this point and this point 4 centimeter, and taking the ruler, I can mark this line segment. AB. That's 4 centimeters. Now we have to take AB as the diameter. So that means center is in between. Take the compass. You measure 2 centimeters. And you can keep in between A and B. And draw the circle. Let's check whether both the points passes through. Yes, so you can draw the circle with diameter AB. Draw 2 circles having A and B as their centers and AB the radius of each circle. So you have to take the compass and the radius is now AB length. So you keep on top of A and draw one circle. Now keep on top of B and draw the other circle. So 2 circles, now AB, the radius of each circle. So we covered all theory related to circles. So what did we do here? We identify the center, radius and the diameter. A straight line segment joining the center of a circle to a point on the circle is called the radius of the circle, and the straight line segment joining 2 points on a circle which passes through the center of the circle is called a diameter. And what's the relationship between diameter and radius? The diameter of a circle is twice its radius. So remember this diagram, center is in the middle and this is radius and double of that, twice of that is the diameter.